everyone, welcome back to my channel. I was going to say welcome back to my tutorial then. I just didn't know what I was saying. What's going on? Honestly, it's one of those days. Do you know when your mind's just all over the place? So bear with me in this video. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, in today's tutorial, I wanted to film a pink bright makeup look. Can we just take a moment to appreciate my lip? I'm obsessed. I love this makeup look. I think the glue's still drying a little bit, but don't mind that. So yeah, I have been listening to you guys so much recently and you wanted to see a lot more brights, different colour makeup look, festival, like glitter and all of that kind of stuff. So I filmed a blue/greeny makeup look on my channel a couple of weeks ago and I thought I would film another one for you guys, and this is just more of like a pinky makeup look. So yeah, I'm obsessed with it. I love it. All the products that I've used like are just 10 out of 10 products. I love them so much. This video isn't sponsored. I wish it was, but it isn't. I'm just so like honest in my videos. You know, I like to keep it real with you guys because if you buy the product and it's bad, it looks bad on me. Do you know what I mean? So I'm not going to ever lie to you guys, and I love everything that I've used. So anyway, yeah. So yeah, if you want to see how to get this makeup tutorial, then please keep watching. I love it so much. So I've done my brows already because who really wants to see that? Very boring. Although I'm not having the best brow day ever. Like, it's just not working out for me. I don't really know what's going on. Like, anyway, I'm going to stop looking at them because I'm over it. Like, I'm literally over it. I just CBO, you know? Right, so I want to create sort of a pink makeup tutorial, glitter, mermaid vibes. Mermaid vibes. That's it, guys. Mermaid vibes makeup tutorial. So what I'm going to do, I always start off with the base of makeup. I'm going to try and range this whole tutorial based on like affordable makeup because everyone can, everyone can relate to this. Well, not really relate. Everyone can sort of, you know, whatever your budget is, you can put this with me and like knocking the lights out. I don't really know what I'm trying to say here. Like, no matter how much you want to spend on makeup, everyone could do it, sort of thing, because it's affordable makeup. There we go, got there in the end. So I'm going to mix two foundations together. You may as well just buy a high-end one, but anyway. But if I had to pick one, it'd be this one. This is the Wake Me Up foundation from Rimmel in the shade Soft Beige, and then this is the Maybelline Fit Me, not concealer, nearly said concealer, Fit Me foundation in 220. These two together are just like mwah. Oh god, I'm literally so clumsy today. Do you know when you have one of those days where everything is just like, it's just not going right? It's just one of those days for me, but you know, can't dwell on it all day. Those two together, I've got quite a lot on my hand. I'm just going to use like a concealer brush just to paint it on my face because that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm just going to go in with a beauty blender because it sort of gives me, it soaks up a tiny bit of the product, so it gives me more of a natural sort of look. I'm going to dab, I swear to god I'll actually bang it in my face, but I mean it's got to be done. I do this and then after I've done that I'm going to use like a really thick brush like this just to blend it in on my neck. That's all I do. Also, I don't know if any of you guys know, but I have a mole on my lip. I'm getting a new one here and I don't know what's going on. Like, I hate it. I don't know why I'm getting moles on my lip. I've been to the doctors about it and he was like, it's nothing to worry about. Like, it's absolutely fine. It's just appeared. Because it appeared like 3 years ago. And I just don't even know what's going on. Like, what the hell? Why am I getting another mole on my lip? Like, they're not like little moles as well. They're really big. So, I just don't really know what I'm doing. I don't know what's happening. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Perfect Match True Match concealer. Not my favourite concealer ever. I normally it's really light and it's a bit runny, so the coverage isn't that good, especially for my bags, but I've run out of my other concealers, so this was the only one I could find that was affordable and like full. There wasn't nothing in it. Look, can you see? Like, it is a good concealer, don't get me wrong. It's a really lightweight one, but for me I can still see, oh, it's really hard to tell in the camera. I can see a little bit of my bags and the Fit Me one just covers it up and this one's just not vibing. So what I do is do this and then I go in with it again after, just so it's all blended. I don't even know if I'm focusing in half of this video because my camera doesn't want to focus me anymore. Like, can you not? Right, so now that is all done and dusted, I'm going to use this Rimmel Clear Complexion Tint. I don't know what that means. Radiux powder. Looks like this in the shade Transparent. I tried to get my favourite one, which is just the Rimmel Stay Matte, but I mean, this is currently exploded and I don't want to open it because it's just going to go everywhere. And I can't ever find it in store. So if you know any good places to get the Rimmel Stay Matte powder, let me know in the comments because I need it back in my life. This one's just not as good. I don't know why, it's just not a vibe. So yeah, I'm gonna dot that on my face. So I'm gonna quickly bronze my face with my all-time favourite NYX contour kit. This is the powder. I prefer powder contour because I just do, you know, I just do. So if you guys have any like really good powder contours, because I'm not gonna lie, I do use the same and it's a bit boring. So if you have any that you really like, then let me know in the comments because I'd love to know. So I'm gonna contour my face with this and then I'm gonna go in with bronzer after. So yeah, I'm just going to contour my cheekbones. So I've tried to contour my nose and it's just failed miserably and I literally just can't even deal. Like, I've made it look worse. I cannot contour my nose to save my life. Like, I've given up. Given up, guys. I can't do it. It's so bad. Oh my god, what is going... Like, I've literally made it look worse. Alright, where's my powder brush? Oh my god, help. Help. Found it. Let's try and cut that in place so it doesn't just look like I have two lines going down my nose. And it still looks bad. Anyway, moving on. I'm going to use the BH Weekend Festival palette. They sent me their PR package, so they sent me all of these matte pink brushes. Matte pink, they're literally beautiful. Insane, like so soft, I can't even deal. And then this palette. They also sent some like liquid eyeshadows, which I'm not going to use because I've got other stuff. But how insane is this palette? It literally just screams festival. Obviously it's a festival palette, but I don't know anything. Anyway, so I think they're all, oh no, they're not all shimmers. What I'm going to create is like a pinky look I'm feeling. So I've also got this and then I've got some really cool glitters and stuff. Which I think I'm going to put over the top. So I got these glitter eyes. I bought these from Pretty Little Thing actually. I'm going to use this one. It is literally, I can't even express to you how good this is. Like, you need this so bad. Yeah, so I think I'm going to do that over the top. But I need to do like transition-y pinks and stuff like that. So I think I'm going to go in with the colour Electric, which is this one here. And just pop this as my transition. The amount of times I say pop in a video is just a bit of a joke. I swear to God you could play a drink. Whoa, that is so pigmented. Oh my God. BH, you are stepping up your game. Oh my God. This is actually insane. Blend, blend, blend. I did not think it was going to be that pigmented. Oh my God, that's crazy. Actually crazy. Like, whoa. Definitely doing like a bright pink look, guys. I'm then going to go in with the shade Escape. Am I in focus? Probably not because my camera doesn't want me to be in focus. Which is this top right one here. Sorry, I need to keep looking at the camera so I know I'm in focus. I just get carried away. I'm like, ooh. And just pop this a bit lower down in my transition. I want to sort of darken it up a little bit. Okay, this one's not as good to blend. This one doesn't like to blend. Like, this is a bit of going on. Come on, you can blend. You can do it. Right, it's doing it slowly. There we go. Right, the trick is to add the tiniest bit and then build the colours up. If you add loads, like me, because I'm just used to adding loads and then blending it out, it doesn't really like to be blended out a lot. So bear that in mind when you use it. I'm then going to use this shade Candy, I think, which is this one here. Bit of a shimmery colour, but we're working with it. It's all good. And I'm just going to, like, sort of on my lid, but sort of go up and down. I'm just so like surprised with how pigmented these colours are. It's actually insane. I'm in shock, guys. Like, I actually can't deal. Going on. I'm going to go back with the colour Escape actually, and I'm going to deepen it up a little bit more because I feel like I want the glitter to like pop out a little bit. You know what I mean? Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. Also, I hope you guys liked my vlog yesterday. I mean, my vlogs never get as many views and it's a bit sad because I really enjoy filming them. But you know, I just think I'm gonna do it a weekly thing, and whoever does enjoy it, enjoys it. Whoever doesn't and prefers sort of these sit down videos, then fair enough. I mean, everyone has their own preference, but it'd mean a lot to me if you watched both, you know, that I'd love you forever. Right, I'm going to mix the shade Escape and Hipster together, which are sort of the two of the darkest shades in it. Tap, tap, tap. And I'm going to create, I don't know whether to do like a halo and put the glitter in the middle or just do it a little bit like cut creasy. What do we think? I feel like my eyes pop more when I do it in like the middle, like bang on. What do you guys think? It's just a bit hard, isn't it? Well, I just don't even know. Like, I don't know whether to just dot it on or what. What do I do? I'm just going to keep adding like the darker shades on the outer V. Maybe I'll just, I always do it in the middle, so maybe I'll sort of blend it out. Maybe that might work nice. Who knows? Probably won't, but we'll just try anyway. I'm going to use the shade Escape mixed with Electric, I think. and then put that on my lower lash line as well while we're here. So now for the fun part, and I'm really excited for this, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna get a flat brush. This is the matte pink one from BH in the style 5, or the number 5. So yeah, this is from Glitter Eyes Press, is that where it's from? I don't know. I got this from Pretty Little Thing though, and I kid you not, this is seriously the best glitter I've ever used on my eyes ever. So it's compact into an eyeshadow. This isn't a spawn. I really wish it was a sponsor though, because like I'm all over this. Yeah, it's basically compact in an eyeshadow, like just full glitter, but it's sticky at the same time. So you don't need to go for the hassle of using like loose glitter and glue and putting them together. Like you've got it in one. Like yes, please. So what I'm going to do is set my brush with some Fix Plus. I've only got Urban Decay one, which I know isn't that affordable, but just use any of your choice, doesn't really matter. You could just even set it with like a makeup wipe or whatever. It's completely up to you. And then all you're going to do is go in. I'm going to use this shade here, which I don't know what the shade's called. Oh, it's lifting. Okay. Done that for no reason. There's no shade on it. I don't know what colour it is, but I'll try and find you the set in Pretty Little Thing. I'm so excited. I can't wait. So I'm just going to do this and then just pop it on my eye. Like, look at my brush. I mean, I'm really excited for this makeup tutorial, I'm not going to lie, guys. I mean, it is a bit on my eyelashes, but it's all good. I love it. I'm not going to lie, I do love it a lot. Hello. Right, I'm going to use the shade. Am I in focus? No, I am. Trixie, which is the top left in this palette. And just use this for my tear duct and my brow bone. I'm going to try and line my lash line. I'm going to use the Eyeshadow liquid. It's like an eyeliner pen. It's called Fierce Flicks, but I'm not going to do a flick because I don't want to like overpower the eye. So I'm just going to line my lash line. I'm going to apply some falsies and then I'll be back. So the eyes are now done. I'll pop in the description box down below the lashes that I used because I can't remember what they are. But yeah, I'll pop them down below. The glue is still drying on top, by the way, if you can see any like white lines. So yeah, I'm happy with the eyes so far. For the cheeks, what I'm gonna do is, oh my god, this is so cute. So this is from Eyeshadow. Look, I've got the bronzer. And then look at the mini blusher. Look, they're so cute. So the blusher is in, oh my god, this is too cute, guys. Can you see that? Like the embossed ribbon on the front. Oh my god, that's literally adorable. Can't even deal. It's in the shade Summer Love. So what I'm going to do, put this on my cheeks. I love the fact that it's got a bit of shimmer to it because then when you smile, the light, any light will bounce off your cheeks and it make your cheeks look a little bit bigger and rounder. It's so cute. That is on my cheeks. For highlight, I don't really know what to do for highlight because I don't have many that I like that are drugstore. The one that I normally use is the BH one, like an affordable one. I'm gonna look, I'll be back. Right, I've just realised Ciate isn't the most affordable brand. Got a bit carried away there, guys, but I really love their makeup, so I'm gonna use it in today's video anyway because I love it, but I can't really find any other like really good highlighters. Right, this is like as affordable as it can get. Like the whole tutorial isn't affordable, like some of the products I've used isn't, but that's why I'm not calling it drugstore, if you know what I mean. So anyway, this is the Ciate highlighter in the shade Celestial, I think it is. Celestial, that's the shade of it. It looks like this, really pretty. It's more of a champagne-y colour. So I'm going to spray my brush with Fix Plus and then I'm just going to go in with the highlight. Oh, this is literally ideal for a look like this, like a pinky look. I sort of want to drag it up a bit. So for lips, I'm really excited for this. So I've got some lip product that I'm going to use. I'm going to line my lips first of all with my Rimmel Cappuccino. I'm just going to apply some Vaseline because you want to keep those lips moisturised. And then I'm just going to line my lips with Rimmel Cappuccino lip liner, which you know is my favourite. It's L'Oreal lipstick in the shade 360. Can you see that? There we go. And it looks like this. from Lottie London, and this is their foil, lip foil. This is in the shade Dropout. It looks like this. If you watched my, what one was it? My video which went up yesterday, which was my vlog, I done a little unboxing and this came out of it. Oh my god. I love that. Now it's got a bit of a blue tinge to it, so what I'm going to do is add some glow drops. These are from Model Zone and these are Glow For It glitter drops. This is in the shade, what shade are you? OMG. I'm going to take the wrapper off. They are meant to be like highlighter drops, so I'm just going to use them on my lip. Pop some on my hand, like so. It's like pinky, and I'm going to put it on my lips. There we go, that's made it a bit more pinkier. I love this. And then what I'm going to do, doesn't stop there guys, is get my highlighter that I was using on my cheeks and just get a lot and pop that on my lips as well. It's like you're sort of going to set them in a way. So everyone, this is the final result. Don't we just love it? Like, I am obsessed. I keep looking at myself in the mirror like, you know what? I've got to go food shopping after this, but I'm going to embrace it and go out. Like, I love it. It's literally ideal for like a festival, or you could scrap the lip, which I actually really like. You could scrap it if you want and just add like a nude lip, and then you can have it for like a prom makeup look, or just more, if you want more of a subtle look. But I am obsessed with this. I love it. I'm just actually very impressed with myself. Like, well done, well done. Do you know when your makeup goes right and you're just like, everything is just amazing? I was having a bad day until this point, and now I'm just like, my day's turned all the way around. Yeah, if you've enjoyed this makeup look, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you're new to my channel. It will mean so much to me. And also follow me on my other social medias. My Instagram is Amy Rose Walker. I'm uploading at least one picture a day, trying to upload at least one picture a day. So yeah, make sure you follow me on there. I always upload stories and things like that, so yeah, you get to see my sort of day-to-day life. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Write in the comments down below or video ideas that you guys want me to film for you. So I've done like a bright, like if you want me to do a bright makeup look again, of course I will. I've done a pinky one, which is this tutorial, and I've also done like a blue greeny one. So if you have any other suggestions or colours or looks you want me to do, or like celebrity inspired, whatever videos you want me to film, write them in the comments, because I will 100% do it. I'm listening to you guys so much more now, and it's just amazing, and I feel like we've just got more of a connection, you know. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you've enjoyed it, I've said all of this, oh no, yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.